Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your Minecraft account. Minecraft is one of the biggest gaming communities that you can have online, where different games, new updates are always brought about in the world of gaming. So if you want to be a part of this world and want to create your own account, head over to your web browser and go to minecraft.net. When you go to that particular web page, an interface like this will load on your screen. And as you can see here, on the top right corner there you can see two options, login and redeem. Tap on login. And as you tap on login, you will be directed towards another page. That will look something like this. Now, because you have to be a Microsoft account user, what you have to do is you can either sign up for free or you can simply log in. But because I'm trying to create an account, I want to tap to sign up for free. After tapping on sign up, you will land on an interface that looks like this. So you can either create an account by using an email address, or you can use a phone number instead. So I'm just going to use a phone number because that's pretty much easier for me. So here I'm just going to enter the details of my phone number and then tap on next. After you tap on next, you'll now have to create a password. So here I'm just going to create a password and then tap on next again. And then select the country or region, and then also select your birth month, day and year. So I'm just going to do that real quickly to show you how it can be done. And then type in the year as well. And now tap on next. Now here you'll have to verify your phone number. So it says that a certain OTP, a one-time password, has been sent to your mobile device. So type it in as you receive it and then tap on next again. You will then be directed towards a page where you will now get to choose how you want to look on Xbox. So you can just choose here. You can also type a gamer tag if you want. So I'm just going to select one of these and then tap on let's go. So now here currently you've been logged into your profile, which means that you have successfully created your Minecraft account. So this is basically how you can create an account for yourself. If you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also let us know in the comment section below if you watched this video and created a Minecraft account for yourself. Also, don't forget to subscribe to App Guide and do hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future videos. Thank you for watching.